Hi, my dear students. Today we are going to make November revision. Okay, let's see. Here we want to compare. Number one, complete. Compare 15 and 3. We know that to compare any two numbers, we said that 15 is how many times greater than 3? We are going to look for number which multiply by 3 to get 15. So if 15 is 5 times greater than 3. Okay, the product of 3 times 6 is equal to 2 times. 3 times 6 equal what? Do you remember? 3 times 6 equal 18. Is equal to 2 times what? Equal 18. 2 times 9. Okay. Here we repeat 5 4 times. We know that the multiplication is repeated addition, and we will take the number of repetition is 5 times 4. If 30 is 3 times m, okay, then m 3 times m equal 30. هتبقى الm بكام؟ أكننا بنقول 3 times which number equal 30. 3 times 10 يبقى m equal 10. 3 times 8 equal y means a is 3 times greater than 8. Which number or which sample will be y? 4 times which number equal which number times 4 equal 36. It means we have the same number here, and this is the commutative property. So we are going to look for number which multiplied by 4 to get 36 will be 9. Letter G, this is mistake. مش موجودة. Okay, how many? 1, 2, 3. So A is times as great as 3. هو دول كام؟ If it was 3 here and 3 and 3 and 3. So the answer المفروض هنا في missing 12 is 4 times greater than as great as 3. Okay, 20,000. 20,000 equal which number times 1,000? Here we have 3 zeros and here we have 3 zeros. So the remainder, yes, 20. 672 times 1, we know that any number times 1 will equal the same number. 670, 672. 4 times n equal 28. So n equal 28. In multiplication, we will make it divide 28 divided. So n equal 28 divided 4 equal 7. Okay, 350 times which number equal 35,000? Okay, here we have 350. So remainder zeros, 2 zeros, and we will put 1. So 350 times 100. Okay, like people said, 240 times which number equal here we have 240 like this. So times what? Here we have 3 zeros. It means times 1,000. Okay, don't forget. Let's see. 4,000 times 5. 4,000 times 5. Okay. We have here 3 zeros. So we are going to take it out. هنخرجهم بره. And 4 times 5 equal 20. So the answer 20,000. Okay, here 2 times 5 equal what? 2 times 5 equal 10. 5, 3. Do you know this property? The associative property will be 30. 140 equal how many tens? Tens has 1 0, so we will slash this 0, this 0, and the remainder is 14, so it will be 14 tens. Okay, the property 5 times 8 equal 8 times 5 equal is called, yes, commutative. Okay, a square of side length 6 centimeter, it's a primitive. We know that if we have a square and we need to find its perimeter, we are going to multiply side times 4. We know that the perimeter of a square equals side times 4 means side length equals 6. It means 6 times 4. No, table 4 or table 6, it will be 24 centimeters. The perimeter of rectangle, which its length, its dimension, sorry, 7 and 5. We have rectangle and we want to calculate the perimeter. We know that this is length and this is length and this is width and this is width. And if I want to calculate perimeter, we are going to make, yes, sorry, it's not a perimeter. Here we want to find the area. Sorry, here. Sorry, gosh. 7 times 7 and 5. So perimeter equal length plus width times 2. We know we have three formulas to calculate the perimeter of rectangle. Length plus width plus length plus width, or length times 2 plus width times 2, or the famous one, length plus width times 2. So here we are going to make length plus width times 2 equal, length here equal, length here equal 7, and it's equal 5. 7 plus 5 times 2 means 12 times 2 equal 24. Okay. Rectangle, its length is 8 centimeter and its width is 4. So the area of rectangle equal length times width equal 8 times 4 equal 32 centimeter square. So the answer will be 32 centimeter square. A square has perimeter 12. Then its area. So if we have perimeter of a square, we know that perimeter of a square equal side times 4. If I want to calculate perimeter, we are going to make side times 4. If I want to calculate side, we need to find side here and to find the area. So it will be perimeter divided 4. Side equal 12 divided 4 equal 3. So the side here is 3 and the area of square equal side times side equal 3 times 3 equal 9 centimeter square. Okay, here we have a rectangle and the width is 2 and the length is 5. So the perimeter length plus width times 2 equal 5 plus 2 times 2 will be 14. Okay, and the area equal length, length times width equal 5 times 2 equal 10 centimeter square. The side length of a square whose area is 25 centimeter square, where which number times which number? We know that to calculate the side length of a square, we must looking for a number which, if we multiply by itself, give me the area. Okay, so the number 5 times 5. So the side length is 5 centimeters. Any number multiplied by 0, we know that any number multiplied by 0 equals 0. The time now is 5:15. Then, and after 30 minutes, the time will be, so here we have 5:15 hours and minutes. Okay, and after 30 minutes means we will add, okay, 15 plus 30 equals 45, and 5 plus 0 equals 5, so the time will be 5 and 45. Okay, if we have 2 and 25, okay, 3 and 15, and we want to add 5 plus 5 equals 0, 2, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, will be 5 and 40. Okay, if I want to subtract here 6 and 35 minus 2 and 12. 35 minus 20. 5, 3 minus 2, 1, and 6 minus 2 equal 4. So the time is 4 and 15. Okay. Find the missing 3. We know that to bring the upper, we will multiply the down. 3 times 7 equal. Yes, so the missing is 21. The perimeter of rectangle, we know that. The rule length plus width times 2. Choose the correct answer. Area of a square, we know that the rule of area of a square, yes, side times side. The multiplicative identity is multiplicative identity. It means which number, if we multiply by it, never changes the answer, is 1. 70 times which number equal 420. Here we have 0 and here we have 0. So 7 times which number equal 42. 7 times 6 equal 42. 500 times 3. Yes, we have two zeros. We will take it out. Then 5 times 3 equals 15. So the answer 1,500. 48,000. How many hundreds? Okay, we have here two zeros. Cross the two zeros. And the remainder 480. So the answer 480. 5 times k equals 35. Then k equal, yes, 5 times which number equals 35 times 7. Okay, let's see the next. Okay. Okay. Use a line plot to answer. Use a line plot to answer the following. Okay. Here we have this line plot and we need to find the answers of this question. Okay. Here. If I asked you about the scale means how many addition or subtracting in number. Here we have 8, 10, 12, 14. So every time we will add 2. So if I asked you about the scale, it means plus 2. Means what? Plus 2. What is the scale? The scale is plus 2. ماشي? What does the line plot represent? What does the line plot represent? Yeah. This is the title. So it represents time for practice. Okay. What is the least time students spend in practice? The least time. Here is the minutes. Lower 8. Here we asked about the time. What is the most time students spend in practice? Sorry, the least time. The most time is, yes, 14. Okay, let's see the next, the story. Okay, square of side length 6. So this is side. Hussein wants to cut a piece of glass to cover this picture. The picture, okay, what is the area of the of glass? Okay, we know we need to find the area of square. Area of square equal side times side equal, yes, 6 times 6 equal 36 centimeter square. Okay, small rectangular end part measures 20 centimeter long and 8 centimeter wide. What is the area of the end part? Okay, we know that the area of the rectangle equal length times width equal 20 times 8 equal 160 centimeter square. Okay, Omar is building a rectangular fence around his garden. The length is 8 and the wide is 6 meters. Okay, what will the perimeter of the fence be? Here we need to find the perimeter of rectangle. So, sorry, perimeter of rectangle equal length plus width times 2. Okay, the length equal 8 and the width equal 6 times 2. 8 plus 6 equal 14. 14 times 2 will be 20. 2 times 4 equal 8 and 2 times 1 equal 2. A bus leaves for Cairo at 4:30 p.m. It takes 1 hour and 25 minutes to reach there. At what time will it reach at Cairo? Okay, so here we are going to add 4:30 plus 1 hour and 25 minutes. Okay, plus 0 plus 5, 5, 3 plus 2, 5, 4 plus 1, 3. So the answer will be 3 hours and 55 minutes. Okay, so he will arrive at 3 and 55 minutes. Ahmed had 12 cookies, which was 3 times as many as cookies with his brother. Ahmed, how many cookies did Ahmed have? So 12 cookies equal 3 times number. It means 3 times what? 3 times 4. So Ahmed has 4 cookies. Okay. Hani bought 3 mobiles. If the price of each one is 1,000, what is the total price of the mobiles? Okay. So we will multiply 3 mobiles times the price of each one. 3 times 1,000 equal 3,000 pounds. Okay. Karim saves LE 500 monthly. How much money did he save in 7 months? Okay, so we are going to times 500 times 7 equal will be 3,500 LE. Okay, there are 9 classes in a primary stage of a school. If each class has 30 students, how many students are there in all classes? Here, we want to know the total number of students. So we are going to multiply 30 in class times 9 classes. It will be, take out 0, 3 times 9 equals 27, so it will be 270 students. Thank you.